Okay, so in order to create your YouTube channel, you must first have a Gmail account associated to that channel. So what we're going to do is create our Gmail account, and then from there we will then create the YouTube channel. Now you definitely want to have a 1-to-1 ratio. You definitely do not want to have multiple YouTube channels associated to one Gmail account in the event that for whatever reason Google or YouTube decides to close down your Gmail account. You don't want to lose access to all of your channels. So first thing you want to do is go to gmail.com, select create account. We could do for myself. So this is pretty self-explanatory. You just want to put in your first name, last name, username, password, and this can be your personal name. If you want it to be kind of like anonymous, you could definitely do that as well. But this is just, for you to receive emails. This isn't like your channel name or anything. We'll get into that later. So fill this out however you wish. So fill out your information, click next. Now we're going to be sent to a screen where it asks for, a phone number, recovery, email, your birthday, your gender. So the reason why they ask for this information, and in the event that you get locked out of your account, it is pretty, like if you forget your login information and you don't have a backup, meaning a phone number or an email address for Google to send an email to, it's virtually impossible to figure out what your login information is. So I do recommend that you fill out at least a phone number or recovery email address in the event that you get locked out. So just to be safe, I'm going to fill out both the phone number and the recovery email address and my birth date and click next. So I filled out my name or my email and phone number, and then it took me to a screen for me to verify my phone number. And then so I clicked a button and they texted me a Gmail code, or it's a verification code. I entered that in the screen, and now we're on this page. So I'm going to click yes, I'm in. And of course we have to accept the privacy and terms. And here we are. Now we are in our Gmail account. Don't need to do anything here because we're not really using this. So now what we want to do is create our YouTube channel. So it's pretty easy to do. Just click the plus button up here. And go ahead and type YouTube. And because you're already logged in the session, you don't need to log in again. Now what you want to do is go to the corner here and then select create account or create a channel. Okay, so I'm not worried about this right here, so I'm just going to click no thanks. Oh, I guess I have to click that. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so let's see. Do we want to use a custom or use your name? So for this channel specifically, I am going to use a custom name because if you select this one, it's going to use obviously your personal name. So if you want to brand yourself on YouTube, then obviously you want to select this. But if you want to use a custom name, you want to select this. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now what I'm going to do is put in my channel name, and then you select next. Now we have an opportunity to upload a profile picture, add a channel description, add your social media sites. If you don't have any, it's no big deal. So I'll go ahead and fill out this information, and then we'll click save and continue. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is in the same session, open up a new browser and type in youtube.com/verify. And what you want to do is verify your YouTube account. And this is extremely important. It's going to allow you to do a couple things. First, it's going to allow you to create longer videos, as well as upload custom thumbnails. It'll also allow you to do live streams. And if you don't do this, then you will not be able to create videos longer than 15 minutes. So And you just want to get it done just because, you know, once your channel gets to the point that it's able to be monetized, then it's already taken care of. So I do recommend that you do this as you're setting up your YouTube channel. So as you can see, there are two options. Number one, you can, well, select your country, and then you can select call, meaning do you want YouTube to call you on your cell phone or text? Either one is fine. It's just a personal preference. And of course, it's going to ask you for your phone number, and then you're going to select submit. Now, they only allow one phone number for 2 accounts, can be verified per year. So if you've already opened up 2 YouTube channels for using your phone number during the year, you won't be able to use it again. So you'll have to find another phone number to use. So enter in the code that they send you, and your account is verified. In the next video, I will talk about some things that you can do to help you as you upload videos. So what I mean by that is, if you go to a lot of YouTube channels, as you can see, they always have the same, in the description, they have the same like default information. And what I'm going to do is show you how to set that up, as well as figuring out your keywords and tags for your channels and a whole lot of stuff, which is going to help you with SEO. Now, if you don't know what SEO is, it's search engine optimization. And when people go into YouTube and they put in a search phrase, the goal is for your channel to be one of the top videos on that page. So the goal is for people to type in a phrase. Hopefully they will see your video, click on your video, and watch it. And what I'm going to do in the next video is show you how to kind of set that up. So I'll see you there.